Hi, I'm Anand from Kalap Trust, and I'm going to tell you what we did during the COVID pandemic to help the communities in the Upper Tones Valley, Uttarakhand. We did two things. Because of economic devastation, we knew that nutritional security here will be affected. So, our primary beneficiaries whom we support through our projects are women and children. So, we wanted to protect their nutritional security. So, we distributed 1,000 seed packets containing a variety of seeds of nutritional vegetables to families over here that they can plant in their fields and grow over the summer. The families grew these seeds, and it helped them get through a hard summer when they did not have money to buy vegetables. Livestock rearing, goats and sheep, is the primary occupation over here. We knew that this also would be impacted because people would not be able to invest in taking care of their animals because of the economic devastation. So we distributed veterinary kits to treat preventable diseases in 10,000 animals over here. Our kit was designed in such a way that it would save at least 3 to 4 animals that would die of preventable diseases. So that would lead to an indirect benefit of about at least 20 to 25,000 rupees per family by saving 3 or 4 animals.